Hello students, welcome to today's class on algebra, the most weighted topic, right? Algebra, I don't think you can learn higher mathematics without algebra. Algebra is a part of mathematics where any chapter, any problem you take, again somewhere or other you will come and you need to apply algebraic related applications. My name is Avinash and I have done my graduation from IIT Kharagpur. Let's start today's session and let's see what's all algebra about. Algebra, or first let us try to understand where we use this type of things, algebra. I'll give you a small situation. For example, let us say you have 10 rupees with you. Very simple example. You have 10 rupees with you and you want to buy chocolates. You want to buy chocolates with 10 rupees. You went to the shopkeeper and asked, what is the cost of this chocolate? And he told you in return, each chocolate costs 2 rupees. Each chocolate costs 2 rupees, right? So now, how can you calculate how many chocolates you can purchase with that 10 rupees? So you do some calculations, correct? If you take 2 chocolates, 4 rupees. If you take 3 chocolates, 6 rupees. Okay, instead of all this, let us try to represent the chocolate as X. Let us try to represent the chocolate as X. So, you want to buy some chocolates, I don't know how many. Okay, you want to buy chocolates, let us say 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, such that the complete money should be equal to 10 rupees. The complete money should be equal to 10 rupees because you have 10 rupees with you. So we are not going to represent all this now, but it's a very simple practical application and you already know the answer that you can buy a maximum of 5 chocolates. Each 2 rupees, so that the total will be 10 rupees. This is a very simple application of algebra. Very simple application of algebra. So when I'm saying algebra, to apply that in the real life, first of all, the chocolates or some biscuits or something else, balls, bats, whatever it is, let us generalize all this to some variables, some letters, some symbols, some numbers. So algebraic expression will consist of all these things, whatever I said. Numbers, symbols, adding them, subtracting them, multiplying them, dividing them. All these comes under algebra. Let us try to see what is algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that has various components like numbers. Yes, we have numbers. I just told you an example, right? You can buy 5 chocolates. 5 is a number. Letters. Instead of writing the complete chocolate, I represented that with X. I represent the complete chocolate with X. Symbols. Numbers, letters, symbols. Okay, so all these things joined together, we say algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. But this is not enough to learn more about algebra. We need to individually name them. What is a letter? What is a symbol? Or what is a number? Or what are the combinations of all these are called? If you write a number and a symbol, so we need to name them first of all. Before learning the complete algebraic expressions, before going to learn what is algebraic calculations, we need to understand some basic knowledge about all this. So let us try to see that. In this chapter, we will learn few concepts such as constant, variable. The name itself says that it's constant. What is constant? That means the value is fixed. Number 2, let us say. It's number 2 everywhere. Wherever you go, to whom you ask, what is this number? They say it is number 2. It's numerically equal to 2. You cannot change that. It is constant, variable, which varies, which keeps on changes. Terms, we'll see what is terms. And their operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. So all these we are going to see and we are going to study in algebra. Okay, so the first one, let us try to concentrate on constant. Just now I said you. Constant, that means a number whose numerical value is always fixed. Number 2, it's always fixed. Number 3, it is always fixed. You cannot say number 3 is equal to number 5. These two are different in their values. 10 rupees note and 100 rupees notes. No one will say these two are equal. Their 10 rupees value is 10. Correct? And 100 rupees note value is 100. We cannot equate 10 and 100. In the same way, a number having a fixed numerical value. A number having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. A number having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. When I say fixed numerical, fixed, the term fixed says that it is always fixed. We cannot change that. We cannot change the value of the number. Such numbers or such things are called constant. Number 2 is a constant. Number 10 is a constant. You know negative numbers. Minus 2 is a constant. 0 is a constant. You know fractions, decimals. 2 by 5 is a constant. 1.4 is a constant. These values are always fixed. We cannot change them. Right? That is the reason they are called constant. We have some examples. Okay. So moving forward from constant, as this is fixed, so there should be something which is not fixed. There should be something which is not fixed, because I said when we are talking about the chocolate example, you want to buy 5 chocolates, or sometimes I may buy only 4 chocolates or 3 chocolates or 2 chocolates, but there the rupees 2 per chocolate is fixed. The rupees 2 per chocolate which you are buying is already fixed, right?